Good morning everyone. In today's video we're going to unbox Xiaomi 14T Pro. Factory sealed. Accessories. And the phone at the bottom. There could be something else and no, that's just the phone. Oh, it's huge. But anyway, let's see the accessories first. And what do we have? There's no charger included. There's a huge case, a cable, USB type C cable, bunch of manuals. On the device it says Leica Sublux optical lens, light fusion 900 mAh sensor, leading AI experience, MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus, next generation 144Hz AI display, 120 wire and 50 wireless hypercharge. All the specs you need. The device itself feels very nice in the hand. There's a plastic pre-installed on the screen. The power button has a little texture. If you put on the case, nice and tight, it will protect the camera and it will protect the screen all around. A little bit more at the edges. Not sure if you're able to see it, maybe. And with the case, it feels a bit wider, but still very grippy. And there it is. And of course, it has a beautiful screen, 144Hz screen. Oh no, that is smooth. Google News and stuff. All right, let me hit settings. And in the settings, let's see that screen. Display brightness. Of course, there's a dark mode, will be very reflective for the camera. Also, refresh rate. I don't know why. On a custom, all the way to a 144. Okay, there's no middle ground. There's no. Okay, there's 4460 or default means automated. Yeah. AI image. Oh, we want that super resolution. Why not? AI HDR. Of course. I'm not sure what that is. All right. Font and stuff. Should we see what kind of device are we on? Oh, then there's an update available. What's new on the update? This is just a security patch. Okay, let's do it anyway. All right, meanwhile, let's take a look at the wallpapers. I think we have to hold. All right, categories. Oh, so I have to download them. Okay, I guess I like this one hard. So how quick this could be applied? Both. Agree. All right, that was quick. I like that. Hard. All right, let's not wait any further. Camera is something which we need to test. And let me show you some samples. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the main lens and 4K 30 from the front-facing camera and a wide angle. Front-facing camera, full angle of my arm, is going to overexpose the sky. It will, you see, compensate. Again, it's all white and then will compensate into the sky. It wants to brighten up your face, that's why. Oh, it's raining. Oh, I have to go back. Now, there is no autofocus in front-facing camera, but there is in a main lens. This is wide angle, which is super cool. Like I said, there is no in wide angle, but available in the main one. Fairly quick. And let's try the telephoto all the way to 15x. Nice. All right. Vlogging style, you can vlog from the smartphone. Just like that. Let's continue. Great selfies. The blur effect and everything, and the cutouts. Awesome. The new sensor is killing it. In videos, but in the photo, great. Oh, let me leave you with those pictures. I'll come back to you in a second on night mode. .6 light, so it should be great in photos at night, and it is. Oh, I have a little bit of halo on the front-facing camera, but that's okay. What about the video at night? So that's also a thing. Okay, I've got something. Stereo speakers. Maximum volume. Sound really, really good. I need to change that wallpaper because it's awful. In the end, I think it's a great smartphone, but a bit too expensive at launch. But photos are like, especially selfies, damn, most likely will be great for gaming. 144 Hz. We need to test that in the next video. Like, subscribe. See you next video. Bye.